Can Parda Credit Union 0% interest credit cards really replace Navy Federal Credit Union?
Look, guys, we're not only going to show you these credit cards, we're going to show you how you can join this credit union because everyone can become a member.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the first card.
Let's do it.
Okay, so it's the Platinum credit card. Okay, so the Platinum card offers a 0% introductory rate for 18 billing cycles. Like that can be a cash flow changer, money magnet, especially if you have some high interest credit cards and you want to bring those, pay it off a little bit faster and not pay that high interest. This could be possibly the perfect card for you.
All right, guys, now we got the everyday rewards card. You can earn up to 4 times unlimited points and receive a $150 bonus. Look, guys, they have a 0% APR for the first 6 billing cycles. This is great if you want to earn points at grocery stores, grocery delivery, gas stations, streaming services, because they got 4 times unlimited points on dining, takeout, and food delivery. All right, they got 1 times the unlimited points on all other eligible purchases. You can earn 15,000 points when you spend $500 in the first 90 days of opening the account. You can redeem points on travel, cashback, and more. Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, we're going to dive into the Max Cash Preferred card. Now, this card gives you more than value. It gives you 5% cashbacks in two categories. Like that right there can really be huge. It also has a 0% APR for 12 billing cycles. Like this is another card that would be good for a balance transfer, and you can rack up points at the same time. Okay. This card gives you 2% cash back on everyday categories, and that's for like if you're swiping your card for gas or whatever the case may be. 1% cash back on all other purchases. It also gives you a bonus, a $150 reward bonus after you spend $500 in the first 90 days. Like, guys, that right there is really huge because a lot of times you have to spend thousands of dollars to be able to claim some of these reward bonuses on other cards. But with this card, you don't have to do that. It's only $500. So, Marvin, let's dive into the next card.
All right, Gloria, let's jump into the Travel Rewards Plus card. You can earn 4 times unlimited points on travel and more, plus receive a $250 bonus. All right, you got 18.99 to 28.99 based on your credit worthiness when you open up your account. The APR will vary with the market. So, guys, you always got to look at interest rates are going to move up and down. You get 4 times the unlimited points on travel, gas stations, electrical vehicles, entertainment, and recreation purchases. 1.5 unlimited points on all other eligible net purchases. Now you can earn 25,000 points when you spend $2,000 in the first 120 days of opening up the account. All right, you can redeem points for travel, cashback, and more. All right, the annual fee, zero introductory annual fee for 12 months. After that, $99. Guys, if you do this right, the points and the rewards should pay for your annual fee. And look, guys, if you've had any experience with Parda Credit Union, please leave some comments below. But Gloria, tell them about the next card.
Okay, Money Magnets. Marvin, this is the big boy card. Okay.
Okay.
This is the reserve reward card. Now, most of the cards that we spoke about, they do not have a annual fee. But this card right here, it has a pretty big annual fee, which is $390. But hopefully, if you're spending properly, you'll get that back. Okay, so with this card, it's going to give you a special bonus. So let's go through some of the benefits of this card. Okay, so this card gives you 6 times the points when you book your travel. Okay, booking travel, if you're a big traveler, this card would be the perfect card for you. Okay, because
Yeah.
time the points is quite a few points. Okay, then you get 2 times unlimited points on eligible purchases. Okay, and you get 50,000 points when you spend $4,500 in the first 90 days. Okay. And, of course, like I stated before, this card does come with a $390 annual fee. So, Marvin, if your credit is on point, this right
Yeah.
here be a great card. But just keep in mind, you want to make sure that when you're looking at these cards, the higher the benefits, and when you start to get into those annual fees, those cards are going to require you to have top-notch credit.
Got it. All right, we're gonna jump over to the college card. We have a college real rewards card. So for you guys in college, establishing credit, this may be the card for you. Or parents, you may want to encourage your kids to get this card before they hit the campus. All right,
Right.
they can earn 1.5% on every dollar that they spend on eligible purchases,
Mhm.
equal to 1.5% cash back, and work towards to build their credit. Like these cards in the beginning help somebody build their credit. All right, they got an intro bonus, 0% for 6 billing cycles. Look, for college kids, this could be a game changer. They can actually learn to be responsible and not get charged interest for it while they learn. They can get 2,500 bonus points. Then they can redeem their points for cash back, travel, merchandise, or gift cards. They designed this card just right for college students. But Gloria, let's tell them about the secure cards.
Okay, Marvin. So if you have challenging credit, the Max Cash Secure Card would be the card for you. This is a good way for you to start rebuilding. We talk about that quite a bit, Marvin.
Yeah.
And this card right here has a higher APR, so keep that in mind, but you want to remember that this is to help you build credit, okay? So with those type of cards, sometimes the APR is going to be a little bit on the higher side, okay? So you get 2% unlimited cash back. And now I love this, Marvin, because with this particular credit union, at least when you get a secure card, you can reap some of the benefits. Okay. You
Yeah.
also get 1% unlimited cash back with this card, and there's no annual fee.
All right, let's go to their basic secure card. It's a card that's perfect for anyone who wants to improve or reestablish their credit. So this is for people that are in credit repair right now. So you may be in credit repair, you're removing items, but don't forget this part. While you're going through the credit repair process, it may take months. If you go ahead and get a secure card, you can start building credit, which is equally or more important than removing the negative items. Because we've seen people remove the negative items and have no score at all. So
Right.
this secure card has 28.49% interest rate, while we're recording this video, but it may vary. Okay. And it's going to be tied to prime. All right. We want you to, with this card, enjoy the convenience of credit while learning how to carry a balance. And guess what, guys? Improving your credit. You can earn interest on your companion secured savings account. So, in doing this, guys, if you're in the credit repair process, I would open up a checking account, a savings account, and a secure card, and hopefully graduate over to an unsecured card. But, Gloria, enough of the cards. Let's tell them about the personal loans.
Yes, Marvin. What you stated was a very good point. Now let's talk about these personal loans. So the first loan that they offer is the Winter Wonder Loan, okay? This loan is from November the 1st and it goes to January. So this loan would be for the holidays. If a little bit short on cash and you want to do some holiday shopping, this loan would be great for that, okay? It has a low interest rate, okay? And it has the flexibility where you can get up to $20,000, okay? So this
Wow.
loan, if you're running a little low on cash for the holidays, this could be the perfect loan for you. Now let's move over to the next loan, Marvin.
All right, we got the freedom line of credit. And guess what? It gives you just that. You get freedom of having funds available when you need them. It starts at $500. This can help you cover emergencies,
Yep.
unexpected home repairs, large purchases that you didn't know were going to pop up. If you got to get winter tires, you want to do a spring vacation, summer landscaping projects. It's kind of that loan where if something pops up, you might want to do this, and you can avoid unexpected fees by setting up the Freedom Line of Credit to cover overdrafts on other accounts. So the good thing about this, you can attach it to a checking or savings account. But Gloria, let's tell them about the Premier Line of Credit.
Okay, Marvin, the Premier line of credit works the same as the Freedom line of credit. The only thing about it is it gives you an even lower interest rate, and it's a
Yeah.
revolving credit line that starts at $5,000. Okay, you want to keep in mind that the minimum credit score for this particular product is 640. So, hey, that's pretty good. And you have a lower monthly payment when you use this particular line of credit. Okay, so let's move on to the next loan, Marvin.
All right, we got the personal loan. As of this recording, rates as low as 9.7% APR, terms up to 60 months. And they already said that they take a 640 credit score. So obviously they'll look at less than perfect credit. But Gloria, they got one more for emergency. Check this out. Tell them about the Member Express loan.
Okay, guys. So the member express loan. Okay, I love this because we all get in tight situations where we may need a little bit of extra cash. So this particular product gives you $1,000. It's not a lot, but you just never know where you get in that tight situation where you don't need thousands of dollars, just a little bit money to get you over the hump. Okay. So your payment plan would be $95. That's how you repay it back per month. Okay. So that's a pretty low payment for 12 months. I wouldn't complain about that, especially if you needed some quick cash. So this loan, if you need money and you need it fast, this right here could probably help you save the day. Okay, Marvin, let's jump over to the business side. I love the fact that not only can you get money on the personal side, they also have business products, and we're going to dive into those as well.
All right, guys. And before we jump into the business side, remember, you can always book a free business strategy call with Gloria and I. So keep that in mind if you want to raise capital and you might be a little confused on how to do it. Make sure you get with us. All right. So the first card is the triple cash back. You can get 3% cash back for your business at gas station, cell phone and service providers, office supplies, dining, takeout, and delivery services. This is that all-purpose business card, the business cash preferred card. But
Okay.
Gloria, let's tell them about the next one.
Okay, so then you have the business card. Okay, now this card gives you 0% introductory rate for 18 billing cycles. Like these balance transfer cards or these cards that you can just swipe on, this right here could be a cash flow changer for your business. So you always want to look at these cards that have 0% because that can
Yeah.
help you pay down your balances a lot faster. Okay, this card has a zero annual fee. So you want to make sure that you take a good look at this card, and the interest rates are pretty low. Okay, so Marvin, let's dive into the next business card that they offer.
All right. They got the Smart Business Rewards card. All right.
Mm.
With this card, the APR for purchases and balance transfers is a little steep. It's 19 to 26%. All right. You get two times the points per dollar spent in the two top categories that you spend each month. You get one times the point monthly per dollar spent on all other eligible purchases. You get 20,000 bonus rewards points equal up to $200. And the annual fee is zero for the introductory annual fee for the first 12 months, but it's $95 for account owners and zero for authorized employees. So this is a card you want to be very smart about your rewards so you don't have to worry about the annual fee next year. But Gloria, we got another one.
Okay, guys, so this is the last card, Money Magnets, the last business credit card. Okay, so it's the business real rewards card. Okay, so it gives you 1.5 monthly for every dollar that you spend on eligible purchases. Okay, this card also gives you 2,500 bonus points after your first purchase. Now, y'all know that we normally don't get those bonus points until we spend a certain dollar amount
Right.
within a certain amount of time. But as soon as you swipe this card, it gives you bonus points right off the bat. So that right there is absolutely amazing. This card has a no annual fee. So this card right here could be most definitely a great card, especially for you business, newcomers. Now, Marvin, we have one more product that I would love to talk about. So
Okay.
let's jump right over to it. That's it for the business cards, money magnets. But let me say this. One thing I love about this particular credit union is that it offers not only personal products but business products. And as we
Right.
stated, credit unions are all about being in the community. They're a
Right.
nonprofit. So they want to see you grow. They want to see you scale. So they offer a lot of different products that can help you not only on the personal side but on the business side as well. So, Marvin, let's dive into, a lot of places are going to the buy now, pay later. Now,
Right.
this bank has something very unique that I really love. So,
Okay.
it's right in your app. So, when you become a member of this particular credit union, right in the app, if you go out shopping, just say, for example, Marvin, you needed a new television, you can
Right.
get that TV, you can go in your app and hit buy now, pay later. and it'll take the money to pay for the TV and then give it right back to you. And they will take out a certain amount every single week or every month, whatever terms you decide to come up with. And you can do that right in your banking app. That right there is a cash flow changer.
That's nice. So, Glory, let's do a quick recap. So, first of all, guys, Parda Credit Union is mainly based in Illinois, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and South Carolina, but they give you the option to join through the American Consumer Council. But realize it could be some restrictions depending on where you live at or if you're close to a branch for certain products. So, make sure you call and ask questions before you join to see, are you eligible to get all the products depending on where you live at? But we've just told you, everyone can join. And if you put consumer in as a promo code for the American Consumer Council, guess what? The membership is free. Now, Gloria, tell them what bureau they pull.
So this particular credit union pulls Experian. But I
Okay.
want you to know, Money Magnets, when you join the American Consumer Council, this opens you up to be able to join a lot of different credit unions. So
Yes.
think about it. A small donation can open you up nationwide to join several credit unions, not just this particular one. Okay. So Marvin, I have a gym.
All right, what you got?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for another credit union that's better than Navy Federal, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.